We're going to show you how to copy a legal size document on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3300 printer series. We will use the automatic document feeder. So let's load the document. Next, you will need to load paper into the paper tray. Open the input tray and there's a latch over here where you need to press and extend the tray. Remove the paper from the input tray and we will load in some legal size paper. Push back the input tray. We will need to modify the loaded paper. For the size, we need to change it to legal. We are now ready to copy. Select copy. Select document copy. Tap on this icon for more settings. Now the content type is mixed and we will copy in color. The original size is legal. You can make it lighter or darker, and for the print options, select the number of copies. Output scale is none. Now the paper selection, we'll need to select the paper size as legal as well. Now for the sides, you can either copy from one-sided to one-sided or one-sided to two-sided. We'll leave it as one to one-sided. We are ready to copy. Tap on copy. So this is page 1 and this is page 2. So this is how you do a legal size copy for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3300 printer series.